Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you are fine and doing well. Today we read about human rights. Our topic is human rights. What are human rights? All human beings are born with some basic freedoms rights which allow them to live their lives in a certain way. These rights are universally known as human rights. Here are some basic human rights. First one is the right to life and freedom. Everyone has the right to live and to live in freedom and safety. Nobody has the right to treat another as a slave or hurt them in any way. The second one is the right to food, clothes and shelter. Food, clothes and shelter are the basic essential needs of any human being. We need to eat food to live, grow and work. Clothes protect our bodies from heat and cold. It is very personal right to have clothes to wear. We all need a roof over our heads. A home gives us shelter and protects us not only from the wind, rain, heat and cold but also from physical harm and danger. And the third one is the right to work. Everyone has the right to work, to be free to choose their work and to get paid for their work. If a man and a woman do the same work, they should get the same pay. And the next one is the children's rights. All children are born free and each should be treated equally. They have reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a friendly manner. The fourth one is the right to be loved. All human beings need affection, love and understanding. Children have a right to be loved and cared for. Love gives us a sense of security, confidence and happiness. The next one is the right to education. Every child, girl or boy has the right to go to school and receive free education. At school, they should be able to develop all their talents and should be taught to get one with others, whatever their race, religion or the country they come from. Every child, girl or boy should be given an equal chance to be prepared for their life ahead. The next one, here are the some others rights children also have. There are some children rights: the right to food, clothes and shelter, the right to medical care and to be first to get relief in a disaster or emergency, the right to a name and nationality. They have the right to belong to a country, the right to live in peace and universal brotherhood, the right to enjoy their rights regardless of race, color, gender, religion or nationality. So students, read about the human rights. It is very important that we respect the rights of others around us. Our world would be much happier place if all the people enjoyed their due rights. We also need to know and carry out our duties towards others. So students, you write here the some basic human rights like the right of life and freedom, the right of food, clothes and shelter, the right of work, the children rights, the right to be loved, the right to be educations. With these rights, we can live in this world happily. So here with these rights we have some duties too. We also follow our duties and perform our duties carefully. Then we can get our rights. Read these pages, students, carefully and try to learn the human rights too. Allah Hafiz.